A man in Vermilion County trying to prove his innocence. Jason Matthews pleaded guilty to a sexual assault charge 20 years ago, but says he didn't do it. WCIA 3's Courtney Bunting joins us now. So, Courtney, what exactly is going on here?
Well, Paul, Matthews says he just recently got in touch with the victim in this case. For years, the two never talked to each other. That's because she thought he hated her. To break this down for you, Matthews was facing felony charges for sexually assaulting Nikita Holmes. She was a minor at the time. Matthews and Holmes both say that never happened. Matthews was faced with serving time or taking a plea deal. He took the deal, but now this conviction is on his record, stopping him from getting a job or even picking his kids up from school. Now he's trying to clear his name by showing that Holmes says the assault didn't happen, but today in court, a judge dismissed it.
If you run my name, I come up like Christmas lights, just showing that I'm a pedophile, I'm a rapist, the victim was 12 years old, yada, yada, yada. That's what it shows. Now, it's a good thing if that's true. Okay, that information needs to be out there, but when it's not true, it's very dangerous.
Matthews' argument is that investigators never interviewed Holmes back in the day. She told us the same thing. That's why this case is coming up now, because he's considering Holmes' statement new evidence. But I talked to the state's attorney, and she says Holmes was interviewed 20 years ago and that Matthews provided a full confession, which you can't retract 20 years later. Matthews is still trying to contact legislators to get his conviction removed. He says he's contacted the governor and the lieutenant governor, but hasn't heard back. Paul?
Does he have any other options at this point other than those that you mentioned through lawmakers or the governor's office?
He says he's still looking into it, so he's open to any suggestions, of course, if people have them.
All right. I know you've been following this case and you'll keep us updated. Courtney, thanks.